I'm so excited. This is not a review, not a review. This is just a day with Phil and hopefully another day tomorrow. I got some accessories for my MoonCool TK1, and I know there's a lot of people that own these. Let me tell you a little story. I thought, gee, it'd sure be nice to find some kind of container to fit inside those baskets. So I started looking, you know, I'm looking on Amazon. I took the measurements. I'm looking for measurements between this, and I couldn't find anything. And finally it occurred to me, go to the MoonCool site, see what they have. Well, they have exactly what I'm looking for. Perfect fit. Look at that. Look at that fit. Look at that fit. I mean, it's perfect. It was made for it. Has their name on there, has a reflector stripe all the way around the baskets. And then I got some mirrors. Yes, finally mirrors, and they're cool looking and they're high quality and they fit perfectly. No adapters needed. Comes with the 2 wrenches you need to install it. Super simple. I can't wait to use them. And I got one more accessory. It's in here. I'm not gonna take it out, but it's a cover for a 3-wheeler. It's a cover for the TK1, and I'm gonna keep this TK1 on my carport year round. I use it around here on the property, and it's handy to run down to the mailbox, especially if it's raining or something. And now I got something to put my mail in. I can go to the store. I can put groceries back in there and up in front. It's got 2, each one of them has 2 Velcro straps on all sides. They're perfect. I'm so excited, and it looks so cool with the mirrors on there. You know, this is kind of my go-to bike lately. I use it to carry tools around the property here. I was doing some pruning. Well, okay, Kelvin was doing some pruning. I was doing some supervising. Anyway, I could haul the tools around. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. I just love this TK1 anyway. But now I love it even more with those accessories. So I just wanted to let you know, that's all. I did say maybe tomorrow. What I'd like to do after my last video, everybody wanted to see the mountain a little bit better. So if tomorrow's a nice day, I know a viewpoint that's not far from my place here. We'll run up there and take a look at Mount Rainier. If it's a nice day, and I'm hoping it is, I'd love to get out on this again, and I'd love to show you the mountain. So that's it, not a review. Oh, one other thing. At the time I got them, I don't know if they do it all the time or what, but if you buy 3 accessories, they're all half price. Any 3 accessories, half price. So what a deal is that? And they weren't that expensive to begin with. So I'm just really pleased, just really happy, just letting you know, that's all. Have a great day, y'all. Hope to see you tomorrow. Well, I said we'd go take a look at the mountain. It is a nice sunny day. I don't know if the mountain's out. It's about 50 miles away, and it can have its own weather up there, so we might not see it, or we might see part of it. It might be all clouded over. It's hard to know. Uh-oh. Don't run into me. Thank you. Cruising along 15.5 miles an hour. That's about top speed on this. In my truck, I can see it easily. I'm not totally sure where I should go here. Oh, the mountain is out. The mountain is out. Now, can I get up here? It doesn't really look like it. I'm gonna get up right here. The mountain is out. Can you see that mountain? Mount Rainier. A little over 14,000 feet tall. Just a little wisp of a cloud over the top of it there. But that's something I've been looking at my whole life. So there you go. Hope you like it. I gotta go home. I'm working on a turning. A wood turning, yes. That's what I do, isn't it? Oh, and these mirrors, having these mirrors on here. Oh my gosh. So cool. Okay, back to the shop for me.